Friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My mistake. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to set up Social Tunnel VPN in all countries on all devices for a fast, a stable, a secure, and a high-speed VPN. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Share this tutorial with your friend. Like the tutorial, and in case you get some misunderstanding with us, some problems during the setup, or if you have any question you want to ask, the comment section is open. You can express your ideas. You are free. You can even advise us. We are not gods. That is it. Let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search. You're going to search for us. Just take a pass and search Social Tunnel VPN. Now, once you search Social Tunnel VPN, this is the application we are talking about from the beginning to the end. Now, that is the application. Take note of the app icon, the app name, the developer's name. Download, install, and then after installing, open. Now, keep in mind that our tutorials are for research, demonstration, information purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines that govern social media platforms like YouTube. Then after, you're going to be requested to join the Telegram channel, which is okay. Just join the Telegram channel, and then you must also keep in mind that you are going to also enable the notification, but enable the notification permission, because once you don't enable that permission, this application will fail to work. Now you're going to start by updating, and then once you update, you're going to do this update, and once you update, you're going to come where we have the servers, and in the servers we have 4 servers right here. As you see, these servers, there are 4. The first one is the auto selected server, OpenVPN server. They are all OpenVPNs, but I recommend you to choose the auto selected server. Then next, you're going to come and then come right from this point to this point, and then you're going to come right here. Oh, if you're in Uganda, you can try those servers, but if you're activated, and if you have not been activated, you can check up our bio for our WhatsApp number. We're going to be activating you for like 20k Ugandan shillings. We'll be activating you. That is it. But in other countries, let us continue. Just scroll down, look for your country's name and the network, and if you get it, just check into that country's name and network. But you can also try to search UDP. And so you search UDP, you're going to be seeing these servers. But let me try to connect to this one for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. Accept the connection request, and then after accepting connection request, give it some few seconds to connect. And once it as you see, it has connected successfully, but it may fail to connect. And if it fails to connect, you're going to be doing this. You can try to clear the app data, clear the app cake. Also, you can also try to restart the application and then reconnect again. That is it. The most key. Let us meet in our next tutorials. I sign out.